What you doing? Are you cleaning your room out and dumping everything in Mommy's hallway? Oh, Dora got your attention? Uh-oh. You don't like your toys no more, baby? Or are you just cleaning? Are you spring cleaning? Oh, Dora, are you going to keep? Nope. Uh-oh.
She's gonna tell us forever.
We're going to put them back in, don't worry. She's having fun putting them out. The whole room.
She doesn't look
I guess she likes the other toys because she's not dumping them out.
there's she doesn't.
That's it. You like the rest of your toys? They can stay? Everything else can stay, baby? Diego? Not Diego! No, not. Goodbye, Diego. Bye-bye, baby. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Oh, another toy? Ah, that fell back in. Her little finger. Bye-bye. The big pillow. Watch out, here it comes. Here's her pile. She threw her sister out even. And Scooby.
She didn't throw me out or
I know, I'm only playing.
she threw it at me and it hurt. Right on my foot. Where I stabbed my toe before.
Poor friend. Uh-oh, here comes the monkey.
2.
No, she's gonna eat the monkey. Say bye-bye, baby. Oh. There went the monkey.
Poor monkey. She's wondering what you're doing.
She sees the light. She likes the light. Don't look at the light. Don't go to the light, baby.